came out from Canadian Tire because bought this. It's very important to have this because today we are going to hike at Grassi Lake, but I just need to fill up some gas first. Good morning! So today we are going to Grassi Lake in Canmore. We are gonna go hiking. It's been more than a week since the last time we went somewhere. So today I decided to drive to Canmore and hike there because I've seen lots of pictures and videos about it, and I just want to see the Grassi Lake. It's like the turquoise green water. And I'll see you in a bit. At this point, I lost my network signal already, so we are now driving on the dirt road and just waiting for a location where we could stop safely and check where we at. Hi guys, we arrived here at the Goat Creek. So we are supposed to go to the Grassi Lake. Unfortunately, we got lost. Our Navi brought us here. So since we're already here, might as well start to explore it and see the beautiful nature. So if you're ringing that bell, that's the bear bell. We are now geared up today. We have bear spray, which I bought a while ago, and bear bell. Bear bell, it is really important to have, especially when you are hiking, because the sound it creates alarms the bear that people are in that area, so they will move away from where you are, and that will keep you safe. So it is really important to have a bear bell. So right now we are just walking up the creek and we are just following the trail. It's kind of wet, and because the glacier are still melting. So guys, just to let you know, Goat Creek is just close to Grassi Lake, but there's nothing coming out. Huh? Because it's not open yet. My gulay. So, and I just found out that we just passed by the Grassi Lake, and also I saw Choir Lake. So from Choir Lake, it's just around 8 minutes drive from Choir Lake to Grassi Lake. So since we're already here at the Goat Creek Trail, we are just gonna walk here and see how beautiful Goat Creek is, and then once we're done here, we are gonna go to Grassi Lake and see the beautiful turquoise green. I'm so excited to see it. My daughter's there. She said she is thirsty. So as you can see, the trail is so muddy. It's wet, but the scenery is beautiful. Look, picturesque. And now there are people hiking with us as well. It's good to know that it's not just here, so it is kind of safe. This part of trail is so snowy. It's all covered of snow, so it is slippery. So we are having a hard time. It's okay, it's gonna get dry. So I hope as we move on, part of it will be dry. Finally, this part of the trail is just wet and muddy. At least there's not lots of snow. She's already complaining. She said that she won't be hiking in spring because we are not wearing hiking boots, any waterproof shoes, and our shoes are wet. But that's okay, it's part of the hiking.
Lakad ka lang. gonna just share you some tips when hiking. I'm not a professional hiker, okay? I just love to hike. So before going hiking, always check the weather first. So as of the moment, the temperature is 24 degrees. However, because we're in a mountain, walking up the mountain, it's kind of get cold here. And so at the time of the year, it's springtime, so I did not really expect that the trail is gonna be muddy. There will be lots of puddles and there will be some snow. But even though I'm just wearing an ordinary shoe, it's still okay because we are still surviving. And always make sure, because Canadian mountains are home for bears, and as you all know, Canada is known for bears. The day is May, and usually bear get out from hibernation period around April to get some food. And bears, we all know that they also love berries. So some of the shrubs or the bushes are starting to bear more berries. But then when hiking, it is always safe to walk on the designated trails because these are all made for us to be safe. And one of the things too is don't forget your bear spray. Make sure you also read the direction on how to use it, because bear spray is a deterrent and not a repellent. Like, meaning you don't have to spray it all over your body, but you have to spray it directly to the bear. Make sure, guys, that you will educate yourself on how to get rid of bears and how to be safe. What are the safety precautions to do for you to be safe, especially when you have an encounter with bear, what you should do, something like that. And you also have to be aware of the surrounding, even though it's really fun hiking, as aside from enjoying the sceneries, the nature, and the fresh air up here, it is also good for your health because you get to walk, especially when you stay at home for how many days doing nothing. So it is really a good exercise for us. And second thing, you should be prepared. You bring jackets with you. It's nice to do some layering. So for me, I'm just wearing cotton shirt. And but I have a jacket with me. It's like a packable jacket, so it won't be that heavy when you're carrying a backpack, because it is really annoying when you are carrying heavy backpack and then walking. Also, as you can hear, my bell, it's my bear bell, so it's really good because I know it's kind of annoying for me, but it is good because it will keep me safe. I just really love to hike when we are hiking, walking, especially with my daughter. I just want her to see how beautiful the world is. At her young age, she can already experience this. I love seeing her smiling. So, yeah, but we can't see that. So that's just one of the things that I can share with you. Also, don't forget to bring insect repellent, and because it will help as well, because we are here in the mountain, we don't know what kind of insects are in here, so it's better to be safe than sorry. Make sure you always bring hat with you, especially when it gets so sunny. So we are almost there, around 2.6 kilometers. Unfortunately, we didn't see any creek because I feel like it's so dangerous to walk deep down there. So I decided for us to go back to the parking lot. But it's a good walk. It's really a nice walk. Considering the weather is so nice today, it's not too hot, not too sunny, not too cold. So I think it's pretty good. So we just got back here at the parking lot. And we just finished the 3-hour hike. And right now, our shoes are so muddy. And even our pants were so dirty. So we are just changing right now.
We are now gonna drive back to the Grassy Lake and just make a stop at the nearby attractions, and I have seen lakes on our way here, so just to take pictures and videos of those stunning views. This is the White Man's Pond. It is also a reservoir, and you can find fishes here such as trout and salmon. You can also invite your friends and have some picnic here while enjoying the stunning view. The amazing view you can see down there is the Grassy Lake. It is really a crystal clear turquoise green water.
So we are here at our next location. And my daughter can't keep up anymore. She said she's so tired and her feet are so sore. But look at this beauty.
This fantastic view is just close to Nordic Provincial Park. Unfortunately, I wasn't able to find what is the real name of this place, but as you can see, you may just want to visit this because it's just right along the highway. Look at this very scenic route.
So I just dropped by here at the Shouty Cafe to get some smoothie and some food for us once we get home.
We just arrived home from our hiking in Canmore.
So it was really tiring, but we had so much fun. We are actually in pain right now due to the 3-hour hike that we did. And then we just went to the nearby parks and nearby beautiful attractions. So now we are just gonna eat. So I hope you'll have fun watching our video.